Comes the coolest looking Mavic Air. Thing looks pretty wild. Welcome. Well, in this episode, we're going to take a look at this really cool product that's in this box. It's actually for the Mavic Air. Inside this box, we have, looks kind of weird at first. So what does all of this do? Well, let me just assemble it quickly and show you. And there it is, fully assembled, and you can see it's a set of pontoons for your Mavic Air. On the bottom of this here device, there's a hole right here, and there it is, you can see it right there. That's to connect many more items. Now, included in the shiny bag that came with this here pontoon item are all these pieces here, and as I mentioned, they are the attachments. So it's pretty simple. You just take a screw, you drop it in here. There we go. And now I'm going to put a washer so whatever I attach stays on nice and tight. And I'm just going to attach this one for a GoPro. Take the device we want to add. Let's say we're going to add this bright light. And there we go. Now I can fly around with a really nice bright light underneath my Mavic Air. Now, if you're wondering how much extra weight does this add to the Mavic Air, well, it's not going to be very much. Here's my little scale. Plop that on. 44 grams extra weight. Mavic Air there. Grab the controller. Got the pontoons here. I'm just going to assemble them. They just click into place. It's very easy to get them on. And let's see. Okay, now let's say you were out someplace and it was kind of muddy out, like right here. Look at this stuff. It's all water, mud. Let's see how my little pontoons do. I'll just move it over there. There we go. We have landed safely. Don't step in that. Safely in the mud. And can I take off? Yes, I can. Take off. All right, I know somebody's asking, hey, what about the water? Say you had to land in water like this. Should be no problem. See, it's not bad. Even on an angle like that, it hit a little bit of mud down below. It still did quite well. Take off. This grass is extremely high. This is like a marshy, watery thing. That's really high. I'm pretty sure it's going to hit the clip the blades on that. Let's try it though. Let's see. How are you gonna do it in that tall grass? All right, so let's go put on the little light underneath and we'll try it with that. So I've got the Mavic Air down there, and if I come around to this side, if you look down, you'll see there's a light blinking down there. So there's a light hanging below it. That's what it looks like. Get the little light on there. And if you fly it around, it looks like this. There you go. You can hang a camera down there or a light, anything you want. It's the coolest looking Mavic Air. Thing looks pretty wild. You can fly this in more environments because of the pontoons, and of course if you attach a light or a camera you have more options. So let's just take it back for a landing. We'll land it down here in the tall grass. And there we go. And that brings me to the end of this video. I'm going to put the links below where you can get these pontoons. I'll also include a link to this here light, this waterproof light. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. More product reviews and drone reviews coming in future videos. Stay tuned.